What's up, gentlemen? So the other day I'm online and I stumble upon an article entitled 8 Accessories Women Love to See on Men. The article is on this website called She Knows, and so I was interested. I wanted to know what accessories women dig, because I know what accessories I'm telling you guys to wear, but I wasn't sure if they were going to be the same. So today I thought we'd have a little bit of fun. I'd like to go over the 8 accessories that she says women find sexy, give you my opinion on whether or not you should go for it, not go for it, and why. Starting with number 1, the tank watch. Watches are classic, and while many men gravitate towards leather band styles, there's nothing like a gleaming tank watch paired with rolled up sleeves. My opinion is, what the hell is a tank watch? I've never heard it referred to, but I would definitely agree with the first accessory. A great silver watch is amazing. It works with everything. You can wear it casual, you can dress it up. It looks incredible with short sleeve shirts or long sleeves rolled up, and watches definitely take the forearm exposing game to the next level. Right? As we've talked about in multiple videos, women love it when a guy exposes his forearm, and a watch is a great way to add balance and actually make the forearm appear larger and more muscular. Number 2, dark framed glasses. Eyeglasses get a bad rap, but they're all changing thanks to some really fashion forward offerings for both sexes. What's hotter than a man who looks both intellectual and charming? Truly nothing. Totally agree. Gentlemen, if I've said it once, I've said it 1,000 times. There is no better way to take your hotness game to the next level like wearing an incredible pair of frames. Now, she mentions dark frames specifically, and I think dark frames are amazing, but I also love tortoise or these black and gold Clubmaster style glasses. Guys, if you're looking to buy an incredible pair of frames, you have got to go check out today's video sponsor, GlassesUSA.com. GlassesUSA.com is killing the glasses game. The reason is because they have cut out the middleman, which means they can offer you prescription glasses for up to 70% off of what you would pay like in a retail store. Now, they've got designer frames from like Ray-Ban, Oakley, Armani, but their house brands, these along with these, I get more freaking compliments on these 3 glasses. Like whenever I'm posting pictures on Instagram, people are like, yo, Alvin, where'd you get those frames? And a complete set, literally a complete set with prescription lenses start at $30. Seriously, these are sick, right? Matte black, shiny temples. The really cool feature of the website is something called the virtual mirror. So you can upload a selfie and try on the frames that you dig. If you get them and you're not 100% satisfied, 14-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. They offer free shipping, and they also have a crazy selection of badass sunglasses as well. And the cool thing, you can actually get your prescription in the sunglasses. Hit that link down below and go grab an even more amazing deal on already like crazy nuts affordable frames. And I got a question for you. What do you like better? Do you like the black and gold, or do you think tortoise shell is more my speed? Gentlemen, link below. Answer in the comments which frame, black or brown. Number 3, edgy cufflinks. A suit and tie might be pretty standard fare for formal menswear, but that's where the details come in handy. Cufflinks are a great way to inject some personality into your basic evening wear. Totally agree. Guys, cufflinks are an amazing accessory and will take your game to the next level. Most guys are a little bit fearful of wearing the French cuff, but if you're really getting dressed up and you're wearing a tuxedo, you definitely need a great pair of cufflinks. They're also a great conversation starter. 4, skinny tie. And then she goes, actually, I'm not reading that nonsense. I'm gonna have to kind of disagree with this one. She goes on to say how funny patterns are a great thing. I'm like, what? I almost vomited on myself. And my standard tie. Here's the deal, guys. Ties are also an amazing way to set yourself apart, but I would definitely go on the more conservative side and not do something too super skinny. Number 5 is a briefcase. A stylish briefcase says, I mean business, but it indicates attention to detail and a willingness to have fun. Fun? I don't know that a briefcase necessarily says fun to me. What I think you should opt for instead is some type of stylish leather messenger bag or over-the-shoulder briefcase. This leather computer bag is my go-to these days, and it's just amazing. I get more compliments on this damn thing. It's an amazing accessory, and it sets me apart from everybody else who's just rocking like a standard backpack or a canvas bag. Something leather, something classic. You can find great deals on them, and they are money. Number 6 is a pocket square. When a man goes all GQ, women get a little wild. Pocket squares are a key component of that look, plus another awesome way to spice up a boring standby outfit by experimenting with pattern and color. I agree that a pocket square does take your outfit to the next level when you're wearing a suit. I honestly feel like if you're wearing a suit, you shouldn't like not have one. You want to make sure though that it's not like crazy over the top colorful, in my opinion. Instead, I would go with something a little bit more subdued, something like this, or something like this, white with a subtle detail like the blue stitching on the edge, or you can also go classic white, which is, in my opinion, the best. Number 7, the leather bracelet. Agreed, leather bracelets are amazing, but I'm going to take it one step further and actually say that like subtle beaded bracelets are also a great accessory. It's something a little bit different, and when paired with a watch, they really do sort of take your outfit and your accessory game to the next level. Aviator sunglasses. Aviator shades are indeed very sweet, but in my opinion, I think that a Clubmaster looks better on most guys. And when I see a dude and he's rocking a sweet pair of Clubmasters, I automatically know that his style game is like next level. The classic Wayfarer also, in my opinion, looks better on most guys than the Aviator shades. Now, Aviators are great and work good on a lot of guys, but on everybody, I personally think Clubmasters and Wayfarers work a lot better. So in conclusion, I would give our friend a 7 out of 10 in terms of nailing the accessories that are not only stylish, but also super sexy and should work for pretty much most guys. Now, her selections in the article, in my opinion, were butt ugly, but the principle, the premise, solid.